Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we were looking into the interactive grid. In this tutorial, we shall explore faceted search in Oracle Apex. So let's start. Log into your Apex workspace. Click on the app builder, create a new application or choose an existing one. I'm going to choose the existing application employee demo app. Now click create page and choose faceted search. Enter the name of your page twice. Now give the name of your table. Now click next. You have two options here, display as a report and a card. I'm going with report. Click create page and run your application. So this is a very basic component for search. You can use this component in any shopping cart application where you need search. So you can search the values by entering into the search field. It will search the whole grid and provide the result. You can see Ali is coming in the first name and the last name as well. So let's do some modification in the page designer. We have a search option here. In this, we have search field, which is a very basic search. We can add second facet into this search area, left side search area. Give it a name. Keep in mind the name of the facet should be same as the name of your column on which you want to apply search. I want to apply the search on the first name. So let's copy this name. Click your facet search and enter the name here. First name. Then the second option that you have to choose is the type of your facet. So I'm going to choose the checkbox. There are multiple options. You can choose any one of them. Currently, I'm using the checkbox group. Now, the second option that you have is the list of value. You have multiple options here. You can use shared component, SQL query, static values, or a function body written as SQL query. Then you have a special option which is called distinct values. This option will get the distinct value from the table against this column and show in the facet search. So I'm going to use this one. Simply select this one. The second option that we have is the list entries. Currently, we shall turn it off and filter option as off. Now save the page and run your page. Now you can see that the distinct value from your grid is showing in the facet search. This is the second facet. First one is the search field and the second one is the checkbox group. If you click the name, it will show the first name. Ali. You can clear it. Now move to the page designer and see the multiple options. You can include the null value option and you can list entries, the compute. It will show the number of occurrence of this name in front of the checkbox, and you can set the maximum display entries. You can sort by the count. The highest number of count will be shown on the top. Let's save it and run this option. Now you can see the name and the number of count in front of the name. And the sorting is based on the occurrence of the name in the data. So Ahmed is coming three times. So it is showing top of the list and Ali is showing. Let's click on the John. You can see that the result is shown directly from your grid. Now the another option that you want to use the maximum display entries. Let's say you select the 5 instead of 7 and run the page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 values in the grid list. So change it to 5 so that it can show the show all options. So by clicking show all, you can see all the 6 records, distinct records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 distinct record. If you click the show less, it will show the 4 records. So this option is for showing this show all and less option. Then we have the display filter initially. If you want to apply a field search field for this facet first name, then you enable this display filter initially option. Thus you can have search field for each facet. For example, XYZ is the option in the facet search. You can see by typing this, you can exactly get the values for the search and you can search the values. Now we have created the action menu as a chart. You can add the filter option and chart option here. Right click on it and you can see the chart options. Here is a bar chart and the pie chart for the selected value. If you don't select any value, then you get the all values in a chart. You didn't select any value. The Ahmed is coming 3 times, Ali is coming 2 times. Similarly, in the pie chart, you can get that. You can simply turn off this option if you don't want on your facet search. So there is no chart option now. So let's create another facet for the range, salary range. Create facet column that we have is salary on which you want to apply the facet. Simply paste that name here, salary, and this time choose the type range and this time we have a static values. For example, salary less than 1000, the return value will be pipe sign and 1000. Then we have salary between 1000 to 2000. Then we shall add 1000, then pipe sign and 2000. Similarly, greater than 2000. Greater than equal to 2000. 2000 and pipe sign. The pipe sign on the left side shows the less than s- less than 1000. It means if you want to show the less than 1000 values, add a pipe sign to the left side. Similarly, the pipe sign to the right side define the greater than value. So it is showing the greater than 1000 or less than 2000. So simply click OK and change its type to number from voucher because range apply on numbers. Simply click and run the option. So you have greater than 1000. You can see that it is only showing the values greater than 2009 because the option list count is working here. So simply turn it off, save the page and run the page. Now you can see the values are showing. One thing you can see that the 1000 is coming after the range 1000 and 2000. It should be before that this range. So go to this option, select your static values and turn off sort at runtime option. Click OK, save and run the application. Now you can see that less than 1000 there is no entry, between 1000 2000 there is no entry, and greater than 2000 there is some entries. So let's increase the range. 10,000 10,000 to 2,000, 20,000. Click OK, save and run the option. Now it's showing the values less salary less than 10,000, the salary greater between 10,000 and 20,000, and the salary greater than 20,000. So this by this range option, you can search any number and any count. Here we are using the salary as a reference. So this is the Faceted search. You can add some header here if you want. For example, is a body. Let's create another region before and choose the template blank with attribute grid and is heading title, add some HTML code here, employees, click save and run the page. Now you can see the employees heading title is showing before the script, and you can search the facet here. So that's all for today at Developer Diary, and see you in the next tutorial. Hopefully you will increase your knowledge. So see you in the next tutorial.